Hello everyone. Today we will do new topic that is money, and in this topic we can learn how we can convert rupees into paisa and how we can convert paisa into rupees. So the money used in a particular country is called as currency. The Indian rupees is the official currency of India. First of all, we can learn how we can convert paisa into rupees. So let us do with the help of an example. To convert paisa into rupees, we have to divide the number of paisa by 100. जब हमें पैसा को रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो हम उसे 100 से जो भी पैसे हमें दिए होते हैं उसको डिवाइड करते हैं. सो हियर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कन्वर्ट इनटू रुपीस. 50 पैसा इज गिवन एंड एज यू नो 1 पैसा इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. सो हियर 50 paisa is equal to 50 divided by 100. So we get 0.50. Here you can see there are 2 0. We will put the point before 2 digit. हम point को हमेशा 2 digit से पहले राइट करेंगे. सो द आंसर विल बी 0.50 रुपीज. कम टू नेक्स्ट, कन्वर्ट इनटू रुपीज. अगेन 750 पैसा is given, so we will write 1 paisa is equal to 1 divided by 100 rupees. So now we have to divide paisa by 100. So we write 7 rupees 50 paisa. We put the point before 2 digits that are 50. We put the point before 50 and it becomes rupees 7.50 paisa. Come to next question. Convert into rupees again. First of all, we will write 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So again, we divide paisa by 100. We get rupees 513.50 paisa. We will put the point before 2 digits that are 50. After point, we will write the paisa. So, and before point, there will be a rupees. So, here rupees 513.50 paisa. Come to next one. Now, we will learn how we can convert rupees into paisa. So, first one is convert into paisa. Rupees 1.50 paisa is given. So first we will write 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Rupees 1.50 paisa is equal to rupees 1.50 multiply 100 paisa, and when we convert into paisa, we put the point or remove the point before 2 digits. If point is given before 2 digits, we will remove the point and we will write 150 paisa as it is. Or we can do like this. We put the 1 for point and 20 and 100, and when we divide this 100 by 100 we get 150 paisa. Or there will be an alternative method. We multiply rupees with paisa. 1 multiply 100 plus 50 remains same, 50 paisa. We convert only rupees into पैसा. हम ₹1 को ही पैसा में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Then it will become 100 पैसा plus 50 पैसा is equal to 150 पैसा. We can use any one of method. Next one is convert into paisa. Again ₹2 and 50 paisa is given. First of all, we will write 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa, and we multiply ₹2 and 50 by 100, and we get 250 paisa. Again we remove the point before 2 digit, because here 2 zeros are given, and we can do like this. हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. We put the 1 of point and जो हमारे आगे के 2 डिजिट हैं उनकी 0 लगाएंगे. Then we cut 100 and 100, we get 250. And alternative method is, again we convert 2 into paisa, and for this we have to multiply 2 with 100, and we get 200 paisa, and plus 50 paisa, and we get 250 paisa. Come to next one, convert into paisa. Again 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa we will write, and we multiply ₹17 and 50 paisa by 100, and we get 1750 paisa. We remove the point before 2 digit. And alternative method is, we convert 17 into paisa, ₹17 into paisa, and plus 50 paisa is given, and it becomes 1700 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 1750 paisa. So I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Keep practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.